Hi everybody, Jen Jones here, Gail Dobe is here. This is the new dance, Walk with Jesus. Here's the walkthrough, and then we'll turn this off and do a video. All right, first section, we're gonna be skating and shuffling. So it is skate, skate, and shuffle, and skate, skate, and shuffle. Now we're gonna walk around over our left shoulder, three-quarter walk with shuffle. So you're walking right, left, and shuffle, and left, right, and shuffle. Now we're gonna cross, rock, and shuffle to the side. Cross, and chasse, and cross, and chasse. Now we're gonna do sambas. So it's cross step, and cross step with a turning jazz box. Up, back, over, in. We have one restart and two tags. All our tags are for sways, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll call out the restart at the time. All right, I'm gonna turn this off and we're going to demo it.